Hey guys, snacks and stuff here. So today, I have Captain Rex's Y-Wing. I'm going to be speed building today. I've wanted this set for quite a bit now. It has 99 pieces and goes for $12.99. Let's build it. Alright guys, so we have the Rex's Y-Wing here. I'm just loading up the ammo real quick. Put it down in the comments below if you guys enjoyed the new style of like speed building instead of like stop motion. I decided to try it different. I think I'm gonna stick with stop motion though. It's a lot easier. And yeah, it's just building that was a pain in the butt because I don't have a table in my room, so I'm on the floor and it hurts my back. So this Captain Rex Y minifigure, I really like him. I just think that his cape is like his shoulder cape is a little too big. And as for the ship, I think it's a great design, except from one fact, and that is these engines, which on Y-Wings, they usually have like the little sticks instead of these things. But I haven't seen like where Captain Rex's Y-Wing actually is, like in a show or something. I'm not sure. But like if you guys look at the other Y-Wing microfighters, like the specifically the red one, I like that one a lot better. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash that subscribe button and like button, and don't forget to hit that little bell. See you guys in the next one.